Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Carrying Bus Sydney. I've got this Porsche Cayenne that was fitting the steering rack. There you go, took everything apart there. That's the old one. Let's have a look here. So I've fitted the second-hand one now, but it took me a long time to get the air out. There was so much air in the system, in the pump, that I had to keep draining. Every time I start up, it's just full of air and it's just bubbles coming out. So what I've done, I had to actually put the fluid in and try to force the fluid in with the actual pump, and actually try to push the air out using a little special tool I've got here. I forgot to put that on the actual video, but it doesn't matter. It's like a pressure tester, using on a coolant bottle, but I use it on this one to push the air down, the actual fluid all the way down to the whole system before I start the car up. But this one here was excessive. The first time I had to actually bleed this one so many times to get it running properly. But let's have a look. There you go, everything's back together there. The switch is, this is the right rack. Put up the suspensions back together now, you can see. But now I'm going to start it up to show you what I mean. Let me just press pause. Okay, just started up now. Car's running. Now I can turn the steering wheel. No noise. There's no leak from the actual pipes. Alright, so that's looking good now. I'm going to actually try to, I'm going to suck all the fluid out again, and I'm going to put some new one in there, because a lot of bubbles, and plus there was a lot of oil in this steering rack here I didn't like. So, and then after that I'm going to repair this. See that? See the corner there? See that? That's damage on both sides. Same on this side here as well. I'm gonna get a special tool to see here. There, pretty damaged on the corner. There, you can't see it properly, but I've got to actually clean that up so I can actually put the nut. Otherwise, it will strip. It will cause problem for the actual nut to tighten up. So now I've got to do that first, and then clean it again one more time, and bleed it, and then ready for pickup probably Monday. This is Friday. Monday afternoon should be all good. I just need to double check everything. I can't just fit everything there and give the customer to come pick it up without me looking at running it on the hoist, make sure everything's fine. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.